Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Khan Academy as a student. To begin, you'll want to create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, take a moment to explore the hundreds of diverse subjects available, ranging from foundational math and science to arts and humanities. Setting your personal learning goals and customizing your dashboard will help tailor your educational journey right from the start, making your experience more focused and effective. After setting up, finding your learning path is simple. You can easily locate courses by browsing through subjects or using the convenient search bar. Each course offers engaging video lessons, interactive practice exercises, and informative articles to deepen your understanding. As you progress, the platform meticulously tracks your achievements and mastery levels within each unit, providing clear insights into your learning journey. To truly solidify your knowledge, actively engage with the practice exercises after each lesson. These are crucial for reinforcing what you've learned. Khan Academy uses a mastery system where you achieve mastery by consistently demonstrating proficiency across various skills, often through multiple attempts. You can also utilize the mission feature, which provides a structured, guided learning path tailored to your specific goals, helping you stay on track. Beyond the core lessons, Khan Academy offers several powerful features. You can connect with coaches or teachers for personalized support and guidance, enhancing your learning experience. Don't hesitate to participate in the discussion forums. They're a fantastic place to ask questions, clarify concepts, and even help your peers. Additionally, access valuable, free official test preparation resources for exams like the SAT, LSAT, and Praxis, giving you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.